Hey Trace, how we are doing? My eyes are directed to the other screen. It's a bigger monitor, so that's why I'm looking across. I've got the AUDCAD here. And look, I've been talking about a sell trade on this potentially for the week. And it broke down not too badly. This would have been early yesterday. And it's floating around. It's obviously found a little bit of support down here as well. Now I use OANDA FX Trade for the observant viewer for placing trades, but for charting, I need a haircut pretty badly as well. But for charting, I use MT4, so I don't take a trade here because it's only, if you want to place an order, it's lots, but with OANDA FX Trade, it's units. So what that pretty much means is that it's really good for a very small account. You can risk pretty much very little, 1 cent, which is good if you've got, obviously got a small account here. So it's helpful. Anyway, so really a lot to talk about, is there? I mean, it's found support. We just got to wait for the breakdown and wait for the price action to offer a nice little signal. So I'd be looking for something to close below. I guess that's not great. Let's zoom in. The number's 98,721. So a close of a bearish candle below 98.72. When I mean a bearish candle, that is it closes near its low. That's very important. So something like this is not good, for a buy trade, and something like this is not good for a sell trade. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But this happens, and there's support there. So that's why I want to look for it to just break below there. So more waiting. And I think I might have said this in my review of next week and April, and I might have said, I think it was Friday, I said I put the video up that there might not be any trades for April, and that's fine. If that's the case, it's not the end of the world. I'm just going to sip my coffee here, guys. So Aussie dollar, and if something does happen between now and probably tomorrow morning when I make another video, I will make like an evening update, very late, very early in the morning. So just to highlight to you guys, to the viewers, that for the few that do watch, that what's going on. But there's not a lot really trade-wise for me personally to discuss. So similar to the AUDCAD, I like the AUDCAD a little bit better, to be honest. Bring the daily chart up. It's very similar though. I mean, that's the Aussie dollar, and this is the. Thought that we keep the AUDCAD up there. It's seen a, yeah. So on the daily, and that's where I bought as well. I actually bought this candle. So I missed here, but it still would have been a nice, and then I had a complete. But those things happen, and the risk was there, and that was a 2% losing trade. So that's what that, when you see that, that's what that means. That's take a screenshot of that, and I obviously marry it up to what the position was. So if you start hearing people saying they have a really, really high win rate, like 90+%, and they're selling signals, and you've just got to be a little bit cautious with that. Especially with trend trading, you're not going to have a really high win rate trend trading system. I've heard around 70%. That's probably really good. I mean, for me, it's around 55%. All right, so that's the Aussie dollar daily. So it's made a couple of attempts to get below. What is that? 76.42. So again, it's a little more resilient, but AUDCAD. From a fundamental point of view, the US dollar might weaken a little bit with China announcing its tariffs with the trade war that's going on. So we could see some US dollar selling. I don't just do that based on the fundamentals. I look for price action and the technicals to sort of tell me the story. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and happy trading. Bye for now.